Hi everyone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, Silas and I, we have a Pokemon Battle Style Elite Trainer box. We're happy to open the Elite Trainer box, and so 10 booster packs in here, Battle Styles. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these quick for you guys to enjoy, and hopefully we get those chase cards, that lazy Tyranitar, I believe. But comes with your usual 10 booster packs, the dice, the coins, the fancy sleeve, the energy packs, so the booklet and the book guide. And so let's dive into it, you guys. All right, first ETB box we're gonna open. Sorry, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yes.
Whoa.
Right.
Whoa.
So your player's guide contains all your Pokemon cards for this set, right? So I think it's a pretty cool new set to open. It has all the VMAX, the Urshifu, so really nice and fancy here. But so let's see what you get. All right, so we got our cool Urshifu Battle Style sleeve, super nice, silver outline, good artwork there. Your energy card, and then your dividers. Cool divider, I like that red. Very vibrant. All right, and your code card for who's gonna get this. Good luck. And then, yep, more the game rules. All right, your damage counters, and then how many packs? Can you count?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, count. You wanna count here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we get 8 booster packs.
Yeah,
I think the old ETB box we get 10, but for the Battle Style we get 8. So, yeah, go ahead, go for it, man. All right, so I'll open this one. Yeah, I'll open the shark too.
Okay.
Well, it looks like a shark, but it's not. So here's our first time opening the Battle Style Poke packs. Let's go. Your code card. 2, 3, 4 to the front. What's your energy?
Daddy,
let's say fighting. No. Oh yeah, I got fighting.
Yeah.
Fighting energy. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we got our Go Bat. Can't see backwards. But I'll just go ahead and show this to you guys. I kind of like that artwork. I kind of don't. So it's kind of in between for me. It's a mixed feeling, but still pretty cool. What do we got? Oh, reverse. And for our last. Nothing. Okay.
Here, Daddy.
What'd you get? Show the camera. Oh, yeah, it says P. Here you go. Okay.
What?
You dropped some cards in here. So I've got a Phalanx Rapid Strike Reverse Hollow. Looks pretty cool. All right, Silas, he's already on to the next. Silas got a Cubone.
Wow.
He likes Cubone, so from the Pikachu Detective.
I'll open this one.
Yeah,
you open that one?
This one, the Tyranitar one. So.
Yeah, open already.
Yeah.
What else did you get?
Wow.
Yeah. Let's see. Corpus.
Wow.
Go meow. That's a pretty cool artwork.
Doggy.
Yamper. That's a doggy. Ooh, show the camera what you get. Oh, we got an Amber. And the next card is. Ooh, you got a V card. Take it out. There you go. There you go. Take it out. Oh, EMPOLEON. That's a cool card. Show the people. Show everybody. Look at that. What Silas got.
Wow, that's really pretty.
That's not shiny.
Yeah, but this one's pretty shiny, you know? It's a holographic card. I like the artwork. It's not bad. It's pretty cool. Very different from the shiny fates. But I think shiny fate has to be my favorite set to open thus far. So this one's a cool one. We'll sleeve that one. On to the next one.
Oh, this
Code card. Let's go. I'll open a Tyranitar one. All right. Hopefully we get that chase card. There's quite a lot of chase cards in here, so we'll see.
No, you need to push it.
Oh, no need to push it?
Yeah.
Oh, someone's telling me how to rip. Someone's a pro now. Gold card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's show energy. I say fire. Oh, and I got two in a row back to back. Guessing the energy correct. Yes, I feel great already. Let's go. Whoa. Can't really see what I'm doing here, but ooh, I like Minky. Horsey's all everywhere. Yep. Condor.
When a baby butter quiet.
And yes, the sharp.
When the baby butter quiet.
Fine. And for our rare. Oh! Whoa!
What's that?
CORVIKNIGHT VMAX! Yeah!
Yes.
Look at that! CORVIKNIGHT VMAX!
Is that the one you guys are chasing or not yet?
Um,
Not really.
I don't even know, to be honest, but I like this card. It's pretty cool. I saw it on Instagram. I liked it, so I finally got one. Let's go. Look at that, Crimson. Wow.
Look, I'm kissing.
Crimson wants to join the fun. He
Look,
definitely can.
and there's this more toys.
Yeah. Keep opening.
Maybe he wants water.
Oh. Wait.
Huh?
Okay, keep going. And that's it. New one.
What?
What?
Whoa! The guide dog. The guide dog.
What'd you get? Show everybody. Show everybody on camera. Holy. Oh, yeah.
Mama, I win.
But you gotta show the card. You put the cards on the table.
Whoa! What was his name?
Oh, Onyx. Oh, Onyx. I love Onyx. That's a pretty cool
No,
card.
I love on it.
Yep.
I win.
You always win.
Yeah,
You're a winner.
you're yours.
Mm-hmm.
The fast.
Yeah, go fast. Wow. Oh, you got a shiny ant?
Water. Mama.
Water. Oh, we got another ant. Oh, holographic ante, guys.
Mama.
I got the
Mama.
reverse the other day,
Mama.
opening my first Battlestyle card last week, but this is a really cool
Mama.
card.
Mama.
You got the reverse, so
Mama. Daddy.
oh yeah.
Yeah, remember?
Yeah.
Mama.
Entei.
Good job.
Good job, dude.
What?
Close your eyes and pick which one you're gonna open next.
Okay, my turn.
No.
There you go. Okay, one for you, one for me. Right? All right.
What?
Okay, ready? This pack and this pack's for Daddy.
You and
Let's
Crimson
go.
open.
Alright, guys, let's see who gets it. My turn.
All right.
These
These are two last packs. It's been fun, but this is the finale.
Baby butter?
All right.
Baby butter, what are you doing?
It's your code card.
It's your two-time baby butter.
Be four to the front.
Ah.
Your energy, say electricity. Oh, psychic. Okay. All right.
Yeah, you don't, yeah.
Well, that's a pretty cool card. Pharaoh. Let's see if we get Urshifu, man. That's the card I've been trying to get here. But I think overall, I've been satisfied. And we got reverse Marowak. And for the finale, alright, not Urshifu. Let's see what Silas get.
What? What's a T-bone, my dad?
T-bone again. Oh, it's a
Oh,
hollow.
it's a reverse hollow. There you go. That's a nice, good-looking Cubone.
What's a T-bone, my dad?
Wow.
And I got the reverse Marowak, so that
What's a T-bone?
Cubone evolves into Marowak.
No,
Oh, yes.
yeah, it's T-bone.
Yep, Marowak and Cubone.
T-bone.
All right. Ooh, Victory Bill. I like this card. All right, but I think that's it, right, Silas? Yep,
Yep.
that's it. So,
That is
cold,
it.
your green code card.
And I'm opening dice.
All right, guys, a quick recap. We got the EMPOLEON V, right, Silas?
And we
And
open dice.
we have the
And we
cool
open
looking
dice.
reverse or hollow
And open it.
Entei, hollow rare, and last but not least, the VMAX. Yeah, VMAX CORVIKNIGHT. It's a bird Pokemon, but like real cool. I like the artwork. I like that vibrant pinkish red, purple red, whatever you call it. So it's really nice. So yeah, that's it, right, Silas? That's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe And we will see you. What do you say, Silas? Say we'll see you soon.
We see you soon.
No, look at the camera. Say we'll see you soon.
We see you soon.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
We see you soon.
All right, see ya.